If you're looking for dogs dematting tools, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel. Top 10 Dogs Dematting Tools Products. Number 1, by Hertzko. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by GoPets. Number 3, by Bait Your Pet. For more details about these dogs dematting tools products, just click this circle. Number 4, by FURminator. Number 5, by Glendan. Find these dogs dematting tools at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Paws. Number 7, by Rosmax. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Bold. Number 9, by GoPets. Discover more dogs dematting tools ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Safari.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.